taking a look at our Pro plugin box for a Nissan GTR application. So go ahead and open up our base calibration file here. We're going to go into base maps. We're going to move down and we're going to be moving into our section here for R3233. We can see that we have a couple different choices here. There's R3233 113, R32V2 114, R34 113, R34 GT, T 113, and then R34 V2. Now I'm going to be taking a look at the R32 V2 114 in this video. What we learn in this particular calibration file can be applied to all the rest of these calibration files. They're all going to be very similar to each other. So again, whatever we learn here could be applied to others. So I'm going to go ahead and click this and click open. Okay, so now that we have our file open here, we're going to be taking a look at the primary differences of how everything works in this calibration file compared to other base calibration files. So for example, the AP1 calibration file or the Hyundai Genesis, they're going to be a completely different way that our fuel and ignition maps are implemented because the Nissan Skylines have individual throttle bodies and boost. So we need to go in and characterize our fuel tables by typically throttle position if we're going to be in speed density mode. We're going to be TPS based, and then we're also going to have a map pressure modifier. So if we jump into setup here, into main setup, we're going to be finding here that we're going to see the tuning method right now is set on VE. We're going to seeing our fuel load source is throttle position, and then our ignition map load source is on map. And if we click OK and jump back into here, we're going to be finding that our primary table here is going to be on throttle position. Now the scale is not right. Obviously, we're not going to go up to 261.3% throttle. So if we go into setup here, into table setup, we're going to be seeing that it's set on load fuel. Now I would change this to throttle position sensor. Actually go up to select here and type in TPS. We'll be looking at our TPS sensor here percent. Let's click OK.